let's take a look at these mirrors. First of all, let me point out here on the tractor what it had originally. If you can take a look down here, Diana, make sure you can see this. You can see there's a post here, solid mount post, and this is for the original mirrors. There's one on each side. That was a solid steel post with a nut on it. Came up in the mirror, but the mirror had an adjustable ball in the back, but it stuck out a little ways, and if it did get hit by something as I was working around, it would, oh, it broke the mirror a couple of times. So that's why these particular magnetic mirrors appealed to me when I found them on FridayParts.com. And they're on there very, very tightly, easy to adjust, light, and so on. Now, there's still the possibility of them getting knocked off. If it's hit hard enough by a branch, it'll come off. And I've been very lucky. A couple of times it fell, landed down here, and got caught because the magnets are so strong. But on at least 2 occasions, if not 3, I think yesterday, I lost it, right? It's fallen off. Now, if it falls off, it's a couple of problems. First of all, you can run over it. They're pretty tough. They're very tough. But if you run over them, there's a good chance you're going to break the darn things. As I said, they're not stupidly expensive, certainly not from FridayParts.com, but it's just a damn nuisance to have to waste money and order new ones. The solution is actually very simple. I put a leash on them. Each of my mirrors is now leashed to the tractor. All I did was, you guys will recognize this, I got a very fine piece of cable. Oh, I'm not sure what size this is. Looks like it might be 16th, 8th, probably 8th piece of ordinary cable with ties. Oh yeah, that's why I did that. With ties on it. Now, one of these ties goes onto the one of these ends, put a loop on each end. Can you zoom in on that, Diana, so you can see it? So you see, it's a very simple, a short piece of fine cable and one of those cable ties, I guess we'll call it. And the cable tie goes around the mirror like so, and then the cable tie will go, there's always all kinds of holes here, so the cable tie can go in one of those holes somewhere near where the cable is attached. And then if the mirror gets knocked off, and it may still get knocked off, you can't stop that, it will not fall. Or if it does fall, not very far. Let's go to the other side. I have one already installed. Let's see what happens. Okay, so here we're on the right side of the tractor. In this mirror, and they've both been knocked off a couple of times, this mirror now has the leash installed. Diane has a picture there. So if this mirror gets knocked off, see, the leash holds it. Might fall down a little ways and bang around, but they're very, very tough. They will not break. And you just say, oh, darn, and put it back in place. Just that simple. A leash for your mirrors. Who would have guessed, eh? Anyway, just a little idea, guys. It's certainly helped me. I feel a lot better now. I don't worry about losing my mirrors anymore. Okay, that's it. Talk to you soon. ALEC Peirce at the ranch. Bye-bye.